done, you label. Then after this you have to click on calibration component, so then you will go. So after finishing this step, so like you will write sample type, level, you have to go calibration component. Here you have to import, I told you need target library for your sample analyzing, so you can import your library. So you can target library, you can import here, click. So it's suggesting different library. I have different library, I have already built it. So I can choose one of them, one of the latest one. This one. Okay, this is my latest library. So now it knows all the target, so it's automatically upload all the information what I have built as a target library. So now it import all of my information here for analysis. Here is the detection type, you can click on nearest. You can do it more easily like this. Calibration component, import, upload this one. Then here detection type, instead of highest click on nearest. The response type always area, don't click height, area. Origin, ignore or include, whatever you want, both works. For cal component, click on standard. Show level, it doesn't matter. So now click on import. Now you have all the information. Now click on OK. Then go to home, then analyze. Then click on process. So this is your calibration level. This is your 5 point, 1, 2, 5, 10, 20. So I click OK, then I go to calibration component, and I have imported because I have already made a target library. So here is my all the target component from C8 to C20, because in my case, in my analysis, I have 30 target components. So I made this target library and I have uploaded this. Then I will click OK, then go to home, go to analyze. Process, go to quantitation result. So here from home you have method, calibration level. So always check that the level groups, the number you have put. So this is L1, this L2. Sometimes you can put A1, A2, but always remember that the name you have given here, you have to upload here the same name. You cannot choose, and always like for L1, this is for L1, and here you have to choose L2. Never choose L1. If you choose L1, it will give wrong result. So it depends on which concentration you are using. For 2, choose 2. For 5, choose 3. For 10, choose 4. For 20, choose 5. Like what number you give for which concentration, you have to choose that name. Yeah, this is important. Yeah. Then go to home, analyze. Process. If you have opened the quant viewer, close that, otherwise it will not show. You have to show, then you can see quant result. Then after processing, click on quant result. Now you have this, but here you see very strange. You can modify this. Okay, now you see the R-square value is very low, because it's, you see here it's a huge gap, so something is wrong in this point. Choose 19 and 20. 10.2, it choose, you see the retention time here one is 9 and one is 10. This way it gave this result. It chose the wrong file. So it's better to choose, because in my case what I did, I thought I will do in a shortcut, because for 1 I have 5 replicates, for 2 I have 3 replicates, for each of them I have at least 3 and 5 replicates. But in this case I wanted to show you as a shortcut, but here I'm saying, see, it's always important that if you have more replicates, it will give you the good repeatable. And if you see one point is off, then the 2 point, you can delete that point. But I thought it will give, but now I realize that it's better to choose more point, because here I choose less point than my result. So maybe now I can choose all of my result, then I think I will get the better result. But this is the way I'm just showing how to build the calibration curve. So already you get here, you get the calibration curve, but it's you know, this is off, this is off. You can reset, and here you can manual integration, you can do manual integration. Like here you see it choose very long point. Now you see it has changed. If you put it here, you see it's off. You bring more. So now here you can do manual integration. If you click here, it will change again, I think. You can reset zoom, you can also change here. You see it's 10.7, you can change here. Then choose here. You see this is completely off. If you see here R1, this is completely off. That means you need to delete this one, or you should choose this one, this point. Now you see it has the now calibration, now the point 0.96, it has changed. So it has every time. For my case also, at first I ran it, it gave me one result, like not this poor result, I got like 0.9 something or 0.8 something. Then I do some manual integration and get some good result. So it's your hand. It's not only, I can show you everything, you have to, it's like trial and error, and you have to try and get some manually tuning. Then you have to choose which one you want to choose. Okay, so this is the way you build. So is for this sample, it depends on what component, what calibration point you want, so you do it different. But it's the way I'm just showing how to make the calibration curve. So here jet fuel on that, then add one jet fuel sample. So suppose you choose this one, this file, then you have to add the status. You have to choose the sample type as an unknown. So when you make the calibration curve for the sample, you will choose unknown and label as not applicable. Then the whole file, you will go again to the analyze, then you will click on analyze, then you will analyze, then you will get the result for the generator. Okay, so this is for quantitation.